assignment to be a chaplain in jail, 10,000 prisoners. And the system in the Philippines is very corrupt. The government is sucking the blood of the poor just to make wealth. And the system in the Philippines is very corrupt. The government is sucking the blood of the poor just to make wealth.
OMG. Real talk. Na-real talk tayo ni Father. The government is sucking the blood of the poor just to make wealth. Grabe. I hope nakarating na sa Malacanang to, no? Although, kung makarating man sa kanila, this is not the first time naman na maka-encounter sila ng ganitong klase ng salita mula sa iba. You know what? Problema lang kasi dito, yung mag-asawa sa Malacanang, hindi rin kasi tinatablan. I mean, alam naman natin na ang mga ngagava, wala masyado sa matinong kaisipan. Tapos isama mo pa yung pinsan niya na, again, congratulations for winning the crown. Okay? Na hindi rin nagpapatalo pagdating sa pag-manage ng pera ng bayan. Diba? Well, inaasahan ko, no, na merong media na magtatanong sa PCO briefing tungkol dito sa issue na to. Magbibigay kaya ng pahayag ang kumari ko